Hi, I'm Angela James at the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. I've got some important information to share with you about appeals for people with Medicare Advantage plans. An appeal is the action you can take if you disagree with a coverage or payment decision made by Medicare. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to file an appeal if you have a Medicare Advantage plan like an HMO or PPO. The first step in this process is to ask your plan to provide or pay for items or services that you think should be covered, provided, or continued. And this is called an organization determination. Not sure how to do this? So here's how. Your plan should have sent you materials explaining how you request an organization determination. If the plan won't cover the items or services you asked for, you'll get a notice explaining why the plan fully or partially denied your request, and that notice will also have instructions on how to appeal your plan's decision. If you disagree with the decision, that organization determination that we talked about earlier, then you can file an appeal. The appeals process has 5 levels. Level 1 is the redetermination from your plan. Level 2 is known as a review by an independent review entity, or an IRE. Level 3 is a hearing before an administrative law judge, or an ALJ. And Level 4 is review by the Medicare Appeals Council, or just the Appeals Council. Finally, Level 5 is judicial review by a federal district court. Now, are you wondering how you get started with this process? Well, you just have to remember that organization determination that we talked about earlier. If you follow the instructions that you got with the results of your organization determination, then you're ready to get started. That's how you request a reconsideration, and that's level 1 of the process. If you disagree with the decision that's made at any level in the process, you can generally go to the next level. At each level in the process, you'll get a decision letter, and that letter will have instructions on how to move to the next level of appeal, and it will also tell you the time limit for filing. To get more detailed information about filing an appeal, you can always contact your plan. And to find out how to file an appeal if you have a Medicare prescription drug plan or Original Medicare, check out some of our other videos on this YouTube channel or visit Medicare.gov.